Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful collar neck designs for ladies. These are crochet work collar neck designs and patterns. Very attractive and gorgeous patterns are included in this video. You will see simple one round or two round patterns, and more of the designing ideas are of patchwork. You will see very attractive and beautiful pentagon patchwork patterns and square patterns which are having a triangular pattern patch used at the back side, like this one. You can see at the back side there is a patch which is in triangular shape, and rest of the patches are in square shape. So different kinds of patterns are included in this video, and I hope you're gonna love them all, especially their color schemes too, because very attractive and gorgeous color schemes are used in these patterns. So just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make and make it by yourself at home. I have tutorial videos on my channel of different collar neck patterns already. And if you are interested in seeing more designs, do let me know in the comments as well. I will make tutorial videos on your request. So don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this containing attractive ideas of crochet work and crochet tutorial videos on my channel as well. So basically I upload all types of handmade products ideas videos and crochet tutorial videos. I upload handmade products ideas videos of home decoration and wearable accessories of women and kids. So stay connected to get them all. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.